Make sure your paper is folded and the fold matches the word, and that you are looking at the one carefully that you are choosing to draw. Make sure you use your whole paper from top to bottom. So the top of the paper, we just look and we match the shape. And then look, the next one comes in a little bit and the line goes to the center of the fold and stops there. Now looking at the next part, it gets long and it's swished down and the line goes all the way in. There's a curving line and the handle up. Then a swishing line in. And again to the center. Each line comes out a little further or in a little further than the last one. And I finished at the bottom of the page. Now I'm ready to start cutting. I'm going to cut along the outside lines, never going on the inside. Turn your paper and turn your scissors, cutting through both parts of the paper at the same time. Curve around as you need to, but as it gets tricky, you can turn the paper or start again from the other side when you're cutting. Cutting on the outside, but never through the middle, unless you're ready to cut that part off. Unfold your work and check and see how you did. If it looks good, you're ready to continue your lines all the way across. If you had made an oops, at this point you can flip your paper over before drawing your lines. Once you have your lines extended, to make it symmetrical, now we're going to look at Greek patterns. Don't draw anything in the middle. We're going to draw patterns on the top and the bottom only. So look at a pattern and copy it the best you can. Notice where we have thick and thin lines. Some lines are thick and some lines are thin. If it's a thick line, draw it again to make it wider. If it's a thin line, leave it thin. When you're done with one pattern, you can add another pattern at the top or at the bottom. Remember, leave the middle blank so we can draw our heroes next week. Draw your pattern and color in, making thick and thin Sharpie lines. If your Sharpie runs out of ink, you can put it in the dead marker bin and get a new one. Try to use it entirely up by going slow with it before switching.